Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So we are heading towards not so busy week. We have Jay Powell speaking on Tuesday, and some PMI numbers and unemployment claims on Thursday. So I don't expect it to be too busy for this week, especially after the OPEX. So we can expect some repositioning in the markets. So on the NQ, you can see on a daily chart, so very bullish, nothing new. We are continuously making higher highs and higher lows, but of course you can see, as I said before, the momentum looks like getting faded a bit. So short-term correction will be very healthy to me. 4-hour chart, you can see this was the last Sunday open, and we never took this liquidity, but of course make higher highs and update it practically new all-time high. On the 15-minute chart as well, you can see on Friday it was very interesting, and we took this pre-market high right here, and then we took the pre-market low liquidity, retested the low, and make a lower low. And of course, after that, it was all chop as it was OPEX. So yeah, currently still bullish above the 200 EMA on a 15-minute chart as well. But of course, we will see what will bring us this week, especially the speech from Jay Powell. Before that, of course, we can check the market sentiment during the week. So we are in extreme greed almost on all aspects. The volatility is on a neutral level. And the most important thing for me, put to call ratio on option side is around 0.6, which indicates, of course, we need to cool off a bit. You can see here we are making distribution every time it hits 0.6 level. So yeah, so sentiment is very bullish, but of course short-term correction again will be very, very healthy. And of course volatility, as you can see here, volatility just spiked to our volume balance level. So this one is basically closed. And of course, it looks like it is heading towards 15 and possibly 14 as well. So yeah, looks like the compression on the volatility side will be here. Of course, if there is no positioning updates, I will try to update that one too on the VIX side. Yeah, so pretty much bull market things, nothing to worry as of now. Yeah, so interestingly enough, for Bitcoin side, if we move to Bitcoin chart, we made this new range right here. We basically went nowhere during the weekend. But of course, things can change, as I'm expecting to have some kind of distribution at this area. And from here, in my opinion, we are going down, especially in August, September, usually are the correction months for Bitcoin. And of course, the rest of the market will follow that scenario. So interesting for Ethereum chart. So let me open the leverage side as well. You can see during the weekend, Ethereum gained another 2 billion open interest, which were most probably longs. As you can see, the fundings got overheated as well. So it is 0.2 currently, which means longs are dominating right now. And yes, you can see as well. So we had this sharp correction, and maybe we can have a higher high and have some distribution around 4,000 before we move to the downside. Yeah, on the regular technical chart, yeah, so this is a rocket straight to the 4,000 in my opinion, and we will see what's going to happen after this. We're definitely going to have to have some correction for more sustainable path to the new all-time high. Possible scenario to hold or to add into spot positions can be the yearly open, which is 3,340 level, more or less. And possibly we can have a retest of this range up to these 50% level or 70% level, 2,800, 2,600, the best case scenario for me. But of course, it remains to be seen. You just cannot short this price action. You need to wait and getting long as well, especially with these funding rates, is not too clever right now. As I said, I closed most of my positions from 3,400 to 36, and we'll see what's going to happen next for the last portion. Yeah. So on a daily squeeze, you are overheated for sure on the ATR chart as well, but this is very bullish. So any cool off, any retests are only for adding your spot positions. So very bullish on Ethereum until next year around June. So basically trying to buy and add to spot positions on every correction. On the Bitcoin future side, you can see, yeah, we are overheated too. And this pump during the weekend is never a good thing. But yeah, this you can see the price is going sideways and the leverage is getting wiped out. So longs and shorts are all getting liquidated and getting closed. So for the next week, as I said, for the coming week, I'm not expecting too much unless Powell gives some direction. And according to IG weekend futures, we are going to open basically flat. And yeah, we will see what's going to bring us Monday. So that's it for today. That's it for today, folks. So I wish we will have some nice setups for this week, and I'll try to update as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and bye.